Here's how you can fix lines on your iPhone screen. So first of all, there are few fixes by which you can resolve this issue. So the first one is you just have to simply restart your iPhone, tap and hold on your power button and your volume up button, and this will show you to slide to power off option on the top. So you just have to do this, and once you restart your device, the next solution is you have to make sure that you are using an updated version of your iOS. Simply open up your settings and go to general and tap on software update and make sure that you have an updated version of your iPhone. The next thing is, if the lines are still there, try updating your iOS as I told you, or cleaning your display. And if there is any kind of inner damage, it can be due to caused by physical damage or software problem, or a bad connection between the flex cable and the logic board. The next thing is, if none of these solutions work for you, you might need to reset your device to factory settings. Simply open up your settings and you just have to go to general and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and tap on reset, and you just have to tap on reset all settings on the top. After that, if there is still lines on your screen, that means it has an internal damage. So you have to visit your nearby workshop in order to resolve that issue. Hope this helped. This is how you can fix lines on your iPhone screen.